In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan a QR code on your iPhone. I'm going to show you two different ways one of these should work. So first you want to go to Photos and find your QR code. I've just taken a screenshot of a QR code, and you can see if I click on the screenshot, in the bottom right hand corner, there is a little square icon with 3 lines. Now if I click on that, it's going to highlight the QR code because my phone recognizes it's a QR. We can then click on that QR code and then open in Chrome, and that will then go to wherever the QR code leads, which in my case is Google. Now if this isn't working on your phone and you can't find the icon with the 3 lines, here's something you can try. You can go to Settings, you can then go to General and then scroll down and go to Language and Region. Then here where it says Live Text, make sure this is enabled. If it doesn't work after you've enabled this, then the next thing you can do is you can go to the App Store and you can download an external app. So if you type in here QR code scanner, you can download one of these free apps. So download any of these, and these are going to allow you to upload photos, and they should be able to scan the QR code. So that's how you can do it. Those are two different ways how you can scan a QR code from a screenshot.